We're going to move into something called breath of joy. We'll start with just focusing on the breathing, because when I taught this live the other day, what I noticed was a student who's been working with me for a while, instead of segmenting her inhale into 3 separate chunks, she was breathing in and out for each one. That can make you quite lightheaded. So it's 1 inhale, but it's broken into 3 parts. So you can imagine lower, middle, and upper, or you can just think of 1/3, 1/3, 1/3. So you take 1/3 of an inhale and hold. Then you take the second third and hold. And then the final third to fill yourself all the way up. And then let it all out. So try that again, breaking your breath into 3 even sniffs. And are we breathing out in between those sniffs at all? Nope. This can help to encourage the uptake of oxygen. If you start to feel lightheaded, stop, breathe naturally. If you're feeling quite lightheaded as we're doing the breath of joy, instead of bending forward, don't bend forward. Just move your arms down and back and exhale. The first sniff, our arms will come forward and up. The second sniff, our arms will come a little out and up. They can stay down lower if that's better for your shoulders. And the third sniff, to get to full, arms come forward and up. And then you can either exhale right like this and just stay upright and take your arms back, or you could exhale, imagine rolling a bowling ball right through your legs. And then first sniff, second sniff, third sniff to full, exhale. Got it? Pranayama especially is something that you might have questions about. I know we all can breathe, but it's a more subtle practice, so you need to self-monitor. What's the reminder for today? Go towards pleasure. So if something feels distressing or uncomfortable, change it. If something feels pleasurable, get into it. Go for it. All right? So we'll do 10 together. You can do more if you want, or you can do less. Ready? I lost track, but I'm going to say 3 more. And then reach up and keep breathing. Keep breathing when you come up. Keep breathing. Relax your arms down. Roll your shoulders. Take your feet a little bit wider, please. Feel the earth grounding you, supporting you.